Now let's shift gears and we'll take a look at the RXV81, what's in the box. So I've gone ahead and cut the tape to make things easy for us, but as you can see, the lid just pops off. And then as I rotate the device, we have this foam insert, and underneath this we see the RXV81, which is packed in a protective wrapper. Now the RXV81 is also quite straightforward. If we flip this around and we look at the reverse, these are going to be the primary ports that we care about here as far as the installation. As you can see here on the far side, we have our HDMI out. This is what we would connect to the TV. The next button here is actually the power button. Now this device will automatically power up as soon as power is connected, but that button can be useful if we need to do a manual reset of the power, or as the case may be, if we need to perform a factory reset of the device. Just to the side of that, you'll see we do have a USB-A port. Now that can be used for a peripheral such as a mouse or a keyboard to make the menu a little bit more friendly, I guess, as far as navigating. Then we have our Ethernet port. We have a USB-C port, as you can see here. Now, the USB-C port is not intended to support peripheral, right? So I don't connect another audio source or a mouse or a keyboard or anything to that. But this device is dual purpose, meaning it can be a standalone Teams meeting room or a PC peripheral. So a power user can plug this into their PC with a USB-C cable, as we see here, and then use this device for their microphone, camera, and speakers in a Teams meeting. And lastly, of course, we have our power. Now, this device is not PoE, which probably makes sense. The power draw is just too much for this to be PoE, so it will require this power supply. So we dig a little bit deeper in the box and show you where that's at. So I'll hold this up so you can see inside. There's a variety of different things in there. You'll see that we have an included Ethernet cable for connecting it. And then we also have in this section here a variety of different types of power connectors. So I'm in the United States, so I would put on the US adapter, but kind of fun to know that if these do ship worldwide, we have a variety of these different power connectors in the box. You'll see that underneath that, we also have a wall mount kit. Now this is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it mounts to the wall, it mounts to the bottom of the RXV81. There is also an optional TV mount kit, which can be ordered, so that's an option as well. It does also come with a lens cap, a lens cover that's magnetic. I get asked this question a curious amount, but yes, there is a lens cover that's included. And as you can see here, we also have an included USB-A to USB-C cable if we did want to operate it in peripheral mode. Okay, so that's what's in the box and sort of how they connect. What we'll do next is we'll go ahead and hook these up to the network and power them up, and I'll demonstrate the process for sign-on.